but I knew something and I told you.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. That's what I'm trying to say. You will write your own book. You will take decision about your life. You will find many people that will give you hundreds of opinions, but you will have to choose one.
Okay. So how you are working in your life?
Right now, I am studying, but I am not working. I am trying to do freelancing work for data science.
Science. Okay. So you will have to learn something about data science, other institute. Then you can join freelancing now.
Yes, yes, I am learning data science.
Okay. So bro, actually I am
I am in a
also.
data science college. I am pursuing bachelor's in data science.
Okay, nice. So would you like to suggest me any well work like we can learn, then we can work in freelancing, because I am searching work from home. So I think freelancing is a well option for do that.
Listen, video editing is a very good career. Video editing. I see many people and many YouTubers saying video editing is very good and very lucrative career. Like video editing, design. If you don't have interest in that, then you can do like marketing. You know, digital marketing.
Yeah, yeah.
You can get easily into that. Search about these two things, okay? Digital marketing and video editing, graphic designing. If you don't like video editing, then you can do digital marketing. And if you don't like digital marketing too, then I don't know much, bro.
Okay, no problem. But according to you, digital marketing is easy.
Not easy.
But
Like
in both of these, digital
it doesn't.
marketing easy.
Digital marketing, in digital marketing, you don't need maths, science, huh?
Okay.
But you don't need math, science, but you need to know how the minds of other people work. Like in digital marketing, if you are going, if in what do you do is grow the business of other people. So you need to think how people will click this post more. How can I make my ad in such a way that more people can see my ad, etc.
Yeah.
That's how digital marketing works. Digital marketing mainly in YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, in gaming apps.
Yeah, yeah.
Video editing is also good, but I don't like editing. That's why I never tried. I don't like editing. I don't like design itself. You know, something when I need to design, I don't like it.
But bro, in this time, video editing is more competition. Everyone want to become
Uh,
video editor.
if you're good, nobody. You know, like there are many. Look, India has to. If you see for yourself, many people don't even know proper video editing. The people who call themselves video editors don't even know themselves.
Yeah. But for example,
Many people are average or just below average.
yeah, yeah, seriously, right.
Yes, yes.
But
Like, you know,
yeah,
for example, JEE. Let's take JEE.
yeah,
Okay, JEE exam.
yeah, yeah.
So, I don't know, but I think after out of 50 lakh, 10 lakh don't even get above positive marks.
Okay.
You know,
Yeah.
yes, 10 lakh or don't even get positive marks, and very less people get above 100 marks. Very less, like thousands, only thousands people get. Out of 15 lakh, 50,000 people get above 100.
Which person have above the 100 marks? They are very intelligent, na. That's why they are